in my point of view, when you're starting a new job, there are a lot of things that you should do before starting your process simulation. First recommendation to you when you're starting a new job, and here I'm talking about jobs in a design company or in a production company with a design department. Get familiar with internal standards and procedures. When we start a new job in a medium to a big company, normally all the procedures and the standards to that company or the internal standards and procedures are already available. And that is very good for us because we can understand how to proceed, how to develop the plan design without avoiding asking too much to the senior people how we should address to solve a determined problem. For instance, it's very common to have already the criteria for fluid flow or for the pressure drop and all the criteria to select the pipe material to a determined fluid. For instance, I worked for many years in the air separation industry, and we get the piping specification. I know that if I will use liquid nitrogen, I should choose the stainless steel material because it is the best material to work with low pressure, low temperatures. So when you look for the standards, you will know what are the criteria that the company uses.